As we continue our exploration in the science behind gems, we will guide you through the foundational tests and evaluations that every budding gemologist should be familiar with. These tests, when combined with the tools we discussed in the previous lecture, provide a comprehensive approach to gemstone identification and assessment. Before diving into the specifics, it's essential to understand that gemstone testing is both an art and a science. While tools and tests provide data, the interpretation of this data requires experience, intuition, and knowledge. Visual inspection, the initial assessment of a gemstone using the naked eye or a jeweler's loupe, helps identify surface blemishes, inclusions, and the overall quality of the gem. Often the first step in gem evaluation, providing a general overview before more detailed tests. Specific gravity test, a test that measures the density of a gemstone, comparing its weight in air to its weight in water. Different gemstones have distinct specific gravities, aiding in their identification. Requires careful measurement and a calibrated scale for accuracy. Hardness test assesses a gemstone's resistance to scratching. Using the Mohs scale, which ranks minerals from 1, softest, to 10, hardest, gemologists can determine a gem's relative hardness. Helps distinguish between gemstones and their imitations, as genuine gems often have characteristic hardness values. Refractive index measurement, as discussed in the previous lecture, this test measures how much a gemstone bends light. Using a refractometer, one can determine a gem's refractive index, a crucial factor in its identification. Some gemstones may have similar colors but different refractive indices, making this test invaluable. Fluorescence test observes how a gemstone reacts under ultraviolet light. Some gems glow or change color under ultraviolet light, providing clues to their identity. Commonly used to identify diamonds, as many diamonds fluoresce blue under UV light. Magnification and microscopy, using a microscope to observe a gemstone's internal and external characteristics. Helps identify inclusions, growth patterns, and other microscopic features. Offers a deeper insight into a gem's formation, treatments, and authenticity. Spectral analysis, using a spectroscope to observe the unique pattern of light absorption in a gemstone. Each gemstone has a characteristic absorption spectrum, aiding in its identification. Especially useful for colored gemstones, revealing details about their chemical composition. Gemstone testing and evaluation are foundational skills in gemology, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. As you hone these skills, you'll develop a keen eye and a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of each gemstone.